This is KTWH-LP at 99.5 FM in Two Harbors, Minnesota. Radio with a lake view. Right now it is 37 degrees in Two Harbors. Tonight, today, well, I was almost going to read today. Tonight, partly cloudy with the low around 32. Tuesday, tomorrow, sunny with a high near 55. Calm wind becoming south 5 miles per hour in the afternoon. And Tuesday night, clear with a low around 37. Starting tomorrow at 7 a.m., you can have your mind melted by beautiful locally produced programming here on KTWH. Have a happy, safe week, everyone.
KTWH-LP, Two Harbors, Minnesota, now concludes its broadcast day. KTWH operates under licensing by the Federal Communications Commission at an assigned frequency of 99.5 megahertz and an effective radiated power of 100 watts. KTWH-LP is owned and operated by the nonprofit Two Harbors Community Radio, a grassroots educational organization that welcomes public input. KTWH provides music programming, coverage of cultural events, and news of local interest, and emergency alerts and instructions. You can reach the station at 218-595-6195 during broadcast hours. Our studios are located at 629 7th Avenue in the Harbor Landing Building in Two Harbors, Minnesota. Our mailing address is P.O. Box 622, Two Harbors, Minnesota, 55616. The station streams its broadcast at www.ktwh.org. The website also offers additional information about our programming, schedule, and important events. Thanks for listening, and tune in again tomorrow for another day of radio programs that serve our community.